Hi guys and welcome back. Bitcoin is pumping like crazy today, and now we have to talk about our short position that we had and about next targets for Bitcoin, and if the altcoin season is now finally here. Did this Bitcoin move initiate the altcoin season? That is something that we have to talk about today, so definitely stick around here. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And we talk also about copy trading. So now let's directly jump into the Bitcoin chart first. So here on the Bitcoin chart, I told you guys yesterday, if we see a Bitcoin breaking $28,200 with a 4-hourly candle close above that, that will make me extremely bullish, and we should get then also out of our short position. Sorry, it's wait, where is 200 here? It's just slightly below the line. The line is at 28,400. So here, I told you yesterday, get out there. So a little bit before the stop loss that I gave you. But I also told you guys, if $27,600 is not breaking, that is our first take profit point. And yeah, $26,600. So that is our first take profit point, and we should take profits there. So, and we were there yesterday. So I hope you took some profits there while we were at this level before we start to turn around here, and that you adjusted your stop loss so that you actually walked away with profits on the table. So if you didn't, then it's not the end of the world. New trades are coming. You guys know, when you are here already on this channel for quite a while, we are really profitable on this channel. So of course I get it wrong from time to time. That's absolutely fine. But yeah, a trader that says he gets it always right, I can tell you he's not making money. So because that's impossible. You know, everybody has to take some losses at some point. You only have to make sure that your losses are way less than what you're actually winning, so that you're actually making money. So, and we are really transparent here. So yesterday I told you, get out if you can, take your profit, move the stop loss. If you were not able to do that, then you took the loss, that's fine. We move on to the next trade, and I will give you now the next trade that we have talked in the past about. So I told you guys, when we close a 4-hourly candle above $28,400, then we can open a new long position to the upside. So why would I do that? Because here is a pattern that many people have overlooked. I have not seen anyone talking about this. We have a potential W pattern here. So, and the W pattern has a breakout target of $30,045. So why are many other people not speaking about this? Because technically it's not a textbook W pattern. So why? Because forget about this part here. So the W pattern for me is here. So why is nobody talking about this? Because by textbook definition, it is technically not a W pattern. In a W pattern, you need to have here a lower low, here a higher low, and then you get a breakout. So, but these controversial W's tend to break out quite a lot when they are appearing on the chart to the upside and actually completing a W target. That's why I'm talking about this. So if we get in the next 2 hours this 4-hourly candle closed in green above 28,400, that is our next trade that I'm taking myself. And let me show you here, there. So where would I put my stop loss? My stop loss, I would put it here, just because stop hunts going to appear here. That's where a lot of people are going to put their stop loss, and that comes here from the prior candle. So from this candle here, a lot of people going to put their stop loss there, and that is a beginner's mistake. We take it a little bit lower. We put the stop loss down here because there's a lot of support, you know. So here from this area, there's some support. And also if I extend it, from here came impulse move. So let it break through there like this, and then most likely it's going back up because it gets bought up between that range. So here it will get bought up here in that range, and will most likely not touch here this level at $27,600 again. So, and that's why my stop loss would be all the way down there. So now percentage wise, we can make here 7% with 20x leverage. That would be 140%. So really easy trade here in my opinion. So of course we have to see where the Bitcoin price is when this candle is closing and if it's green, and then we have to adjust our take profit depending on where we are. But I don't think that we will be higher than 28,660. So it would be still over 100%, you know, so that's absolutely fine. So the only problem that I have with that is the stochastic is about to go here in overbought conditions. So we could see short-lived exhaustion on the 4-hourly chart. And I will get in a second into it why I think it will be short-lived, but the MACD is heavily bullish. So as long as the price keeps going up, it doesn't matter what the stochastic RSI is doing, because the MACD is bullish, and also the higher time frames have a lot of room to grow. So, and that's something that we're going to talk about now. So here, this diamond pattern is, in my opinion, validated because we got the breakdown and it got really quickly bought up. So you see we are trading in this resistance area of 26,600 all the way up to 29, but we are getting really close now to try to break that. So what I would like to see for today is that we close high, or that we wick at least higher than this candle, 28,900. So I would like to see a $550, $600 push to the upside to take that high out, and that would even further confirm the bullish structure that we have right now. So, but we have also a bullish candlestick pattern. So we have here an evening star pattern, which is a reversal pattern back to the upside. So that makes me also bullish. And then the stochastic RSI is at the bottom and wants to give us a buy signal. So that's why I am even more bullish. And then the downtrend of the RSI is broken. If we close the RSI as it is today, then we have avoided a bearish divergence playing out, which would have taken the Bitcoin price way lower. What we thought first is going to happen, but now we see it's not going to happen. And I warned you guys that we have to watch the RSI. If it breaks above that line, then the bearish divergence is invalidated. So, and that's luckily happening right now. So now when we go to the 1-hourly chart, also here I told you, because of the way where we, or the part of the pattern where we broke down from, if we treat this as a big ascending triangle, I told you that the point where we broke down is way too early in the pattern and is most likely a fake out. And that is exactly what we have seen unfolding here, that this was a fake out and that we came straight back into it and actually tried to retest the resistance of that pattern. So right now we are back into it and we should see a break out of it to the upside by the end of the month. So in the next 2-3 days we should see, after some consolidation, break to the upside if this is going to play out. And that also has a technical target of over $30,000. So that goes all the way up to $30,800. So that's even higher than the W pattern, which is amazing for us. So now, don't forget, if you want to trade with me together, Bitcoin and a lot of altcoins, do this on BYBIT. You still get $30,000 for signing up with my link, and there you can copy trade the trades that I'm taking myself. So I will not do too many trades, guys, you know. So but I will do some trades on BYBIT. And don't forget, if you want more trades of myself and my team, we have a VIP Telegram group. The link is in the pinned comment below and in the description of the video. And of course, also the BYBIT link is there to copy trade with me together. And on Bitget, you also get $20,000 if you want to trade on Bitget with this specific link. So definitely check both of it out. So now let's talk about the Bitcoin dominance. So I believe by the push that we potentially later get to $29,000-ish, that we see a break of this line here at 47.81 and go all the way above 48, or touch at least 48, maybe go all the way up to that resistance, and then get a rejection, and then we see altcoin season. So there's not much more to say. I said this for the last 4 days or even longer. So that is something that that I'm still watching. But the altcoin season is around the corner, guys. So, and why do I believe it's around the corner? Because we're over $600 billion in market cap for altcoins again. We are back into our resistance block here from 500, what was it, 90 all the way up to 620. And the reason for that is that we had here a falling wedge pattern that broke to the upside, and the top of the pattern should be the target, which is above our resistance area of $620 billion. So the target is 626, and I believe once we are breaking out of it and getting to this target, we're gonna stay above that, form support, and then altcoin season, guys. There it is. There's our altcoin season. So maybe give it another 2 or 3 days. We see some altcoins already running. I will not get too much into altcoins now, but you see here Link is running on the 30 minutes here. SXP is killing it today, 50%. Look at that big candle here. If I go to a 1 hour chart, it's even bigger. Wait, on the 4 hourly chart should be, yeah. There you see 2 massive big candles today, which is just insane. So you see altcoins starting to move here, and tomorrow I'm gonna dedicate the whole show to altcoins and just a little bit of Bitcoin. So if you want to see more about altcoins and how I positioned myself, then definitely watch tomorrow's episode, and don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.